We are getting ready to make our own sushi, and we got our crab meat and cucumbers. We're doing just like a California roll today, and we got our cream cheese and we got our sticky rice. This is sushi rice, but we will show you what they look like when they are done. And I'm gonna be doing a detailed video. I got my baby girl with her extra big bonnet getting ready to do the sushi because I showed her, mommy showed her how to do it, so she's about to rock it out for us. Look how she looking. Oh, you trying to play me? I ain't show you how to do it. Okay.
I did, but I did it better.
She looks like she did it better. Well, let her do it better. Y'all see it in a minute. That sesame oil is the key.
Not the preferred color.
She did a good job. Oh, I got the camera upside down. Good job, good job.